Coupling your mule tape using a MuleKnot. First, lay out your mule tape flat in 24-inch loops. Next, take one of the loops and begin wrapping it over the other 3 to 4 times. Remember, keep your mule tape flat as if you're tying a necktie. Once you've completed the 3 or 4 wraps, tuck the end under the first wrap. Repeat this process with the right side loop, wrapping over 3 to 4 times, tucking the end into the first wrap. You'll begin to see the mule ears. Now cinch the knots towards one another, similar to tightening a necktie. Once you feel the tension, you can begin to pull apart all 4 pieces, creating tension and completing your mule knot.